Ever pondered the magical transformation of the humble cocoa bean into the irresistible confection we all know and love as chocolate? Well, strap in for a tantalizing journey that's sure to sweeten your day. It all begins with the Theobroma cacao tree, also known as the cocoa tree. This tropical evergreen, native to the Amazon basin, produces large pods containing precious cocoa beans. Each pod, a treasure chest of potential sweetness, holds about 20 to 60 beans, just waiting to embark on their chocolatey journey. The first step in this epic adventure is harvesting. The pods are carefully plucked from the tree and cracked open. The beans, along with the sweet, sticky pulp that surrounds them, are scooped out. This pulpy mass is left to ferment for about 5 to 7 days. Yes, you heard that right, fermentation. This process adds a depth of flavor to the beans, making them more than just a bitter bite. Next stop, drying. The fermented beans are spread out in the sun to dry for about 1 to 2 weeks. This step not only reduces moisture, but also develops the beans' distinctive chocolate flavor. And no, using a hairdryer won't speed up the process, unfortunately. Once the beans are nice and dry, they're ready for a little trip. They are packed up and shipped off to chocolate manufacturers around the world. Upon arrival, the beans are roasted at temperatures between 250 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The roasting process is a bit like a spa day for the beans, enhancing their flavor and aroma. After their luxurious spa treatment, the beans are cracked and winnowed to remove the husks, leaving behind the heart of the cocoa bean, known as the nib. The nibs are then ground into a paste called chocolate liquor. Now don't get too excited, this liquor won't give you a buzz, but it is the base for all types of chocolate. The chocolate liquor is then mixed with sugar, and depending on the type of chocolate being made, milk and additional cocoa butter may be added. This mixture is then conched, a process of mixing and aerating that can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. This is the step that gives chocolate its smooth, velvety texture. The final steps are tempering and molding. The chocolate is carefully cooled and gently reheated to create a stable crystal structure. This gives the chocolate its glossy finish and satisfying snap. It is then poured into molds and left to set before being packaged up, ready for you to enjoy. So in essence, making chocolate involves harvesting cocoa beans, fermenting, drying, roasting, grinding, conching, tempering, and molding. A lengthy process filled with love, care, and a whole lot of science. The next time you sink your teeth into a piece of chocolate, remember the journey it's been on. From a tropical tree to a delicious treat, it's a transformation as magical as any fairy tale. Now, go on and enjoy that chocolate bar. You've earned it.